Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of X-Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X-Twitter and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page of app info you will click on apps. On this window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.